Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the notifications in the Moovit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the three lines on the top of the page on the right. Then click on the settings button and then the notifications button. And here you can receive notifications on several things like app news, alerts, and favorite lines alerts. So just enable those that you really need and click on the white circle. And once it turns blue, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.